Audit logs help you ensure all changes can be tracked and managed, making it easier to provide support and information to customers. So, we've expanded their reach to provide greater visibility into preference and subscription management activities. Let's learn how to view audit logs for preference management. Navigate to the Audit Logs tab in your account settings and select the Audit Logs option. From the module dropdown, select Preference Management. Click the eye icon to view detailed information about each change. The Modified Details section will contain all changed values in brackets. This update allows you to export audit records for compliance and reporting, keeping a thorough record of preference updates made by logged-in users and subscription types to make accountability easier. This update aims to improve transparency and accountability across your team, ensuring you can quickly identify what and when it changed and who made the change to make your support more complete. We hope you enjoy it.